Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing some license plate light bulbs on my mom's 2015 Toyota Highlander. To do it, I have to open the trunk and actually take off this panel. So let's get it started. So I had to take it in for an oil change today, and I figured it'd be the perfect time to ask because I never really saw any YouTube videos on how to do this. So you have to take this panel off to get access to it. So you have to start by taking this one off, then this one, and this one, and then this whole side comes off as one piece apparently. So let's see if I can do this. To get it off, I'm going to be using these plastic trim pry tools, and I'm going to be installing these Shine LED light bulbs. I have them installed on my CRV tail, the license plate light bulbs, and they look pretty good, so hopefully they'll look good on this. Alright, so I got this top part off, and just a heads up, it wasn't easy. You have to just pop the whole thing off, and it makes kind of a scary noise like something breaks, but it's all good. This stayed in, another one stayed in, but I took it out. But there's a chance that these tabs will stay in the piece itself, but don't worry, it's not broken. Yours won't break, it shouldn't break. It just happens. It's very common when you take off doors. They utilize these types of pins. They're really strong, so kind of want them to be strong, but it's hard to get them out. So I'm going to continue with taking off these side pieces. Hopefully they aren't as hard, and then eventually this whole panel. Alright guys, I just made a huge brain move. I know that I can take these out because I took this out to put this sound deadening material here because it was rattling with the subwoofer. So if you take these out, you can get greater leverage to pull on that pin back there that's holding this in, because these are really tough to get out, and I was struggling for the longest. And then I realized I can just pop these off and get to it. So I'm going to see how this works, and then I'm going to take off the other side and do the same thing. Oh my god, you missed it. I was pulling on this, just trying to get that top part out, and then it popped, and then the whole thing just came down, and this one came out, but thankfully it landed out here. So I'm just gonna pop that back in there. Yeah, I'm gonna pop it back in. There we go. So up here we have the tweeters from the JBL sound system. I'm pretty sure that's some kind of the computer module for the power lift gate, the JBL subwoofer, and another tweeter. It looks like the license plate lights are all the way back there, so I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna get to those, and I'll get back with you. So I got this out, and it didn't go how I thought it would. If you look back there, there's two tabs on the thing holding it in, and then once you press them and push, it comes out the other side like that. And then once you get it out, there's even more tabs to press, like on the sides right here, to get the plastic off. So perks of living in the middle of nowhere, random tractors driving down the road making noise. But as I was saying, to get this off, you have to press in and pry it off. Here's the new one. So hopefully the housing will fit over it. I'm gonna go and plug it in and make sure it works before I put that whole thing back together and make a fool of myself. Now I'm going to finish connecting all these little harnesses up, and then we can get it all closed up. Alright, so she's all put back together. Everything went back together. I'm not gonna lie, that was really hard. If you really don't care how your license plate lights look, I'd just say leave it to the dealer to do it because it was very difficult. But if you want that look, go ahead and do it. I just wanted to be the one to put it out there and show people how to do it. Show that like button who's boss if you thought this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time.